Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter languages and input and tap on languages again. Here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language, and here we've got the full list of available ones. So all you have to do right now is simply find the one you'd like to add and tap on it. So let me pick this one, choose the region if you've got some options to choose from, and as you can see it has been immediately added to our list, but English is still a main language. So in order to change it, all you have to do is tap on the language you'd like to use, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, immediately actually the whole system, the whole menu is in the chosen language. Let me show you it again. Just tap on the language, hold it and drag it to the very first position. The same situation, it has been changed immediately to English. If you'd like to remove the language, all you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon, tap on remove, and mark the one you'd like to delete. Tap on this trash bin icon and click on OK. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.